So here we have the rope system. You see it's connected to the trolley that the guy will be on inside. And what the guy will do, he has his harness on, he will also clip into this independent system. So in the worst case scenario, the guy is in there, he has a problem. Okay, a number of problems, gas, he might just be tired, he can't get himself back out, he's physically exhausted. Any number of things can happen with inside this pipeline that we sometimes can't control. But what we can control is the guy being safe, and that's where this comes into it. Guy lies on the trolley, so we independently got him all the time with his harness connected into this piece. Then, if I have a problem, or the guy has a problem inside, this rope will come out to what we call an independent anchor system, being the quad. So the rope will go through here. Straight away, you have a mechanical force by directing that pulley system. Okay, then the next thing, if I just rig this on, clip onto the rope, then what you see here, the loose end will go through a pulley here. And then what I've created there is a 3-to-1 pulley system. So you've got your one coming out, goes in once, twice, 3 times. So your mechanical force is 3-to-1. You can feel how easy it'll pull. And then all we do is shove that back down, keep pulling the guy. So we know we've got control of the system basically. We're not leaving someone in there vulnerable, which would be crazy to be fair in this day and age.